Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. King Yellowman teams up with Something Deluxe for new single Bomb Bomb and gives E Prime the exclusive first look just in time for the summer. The dancehall icon and the New York-based production duo Something Deluxe are set to drop the visuals to their collaboration on Wednesday. In a statement to E Prime, Something Deluxe stated that recording with Yellowman in Jamaica in a studio with so much history was a surreal and grounding experience. The group added that the record is about paying respect to dancehall's roots while having fun with its future. We now bring you the first look at the video.
Walk on it, talk on it, dance with it, jump on it, move with it, groove with it, sing with it, swing with it, ring with it.
Something Deluxe is the production duo of Zach Staggers and Eaton Noise, New York creatives with a deep love for Jamaican music and culture. Longtime friends and collaborators, the two fuse their backgrounds in punk rock, hip-hop and turntablism to craft bold, unexpected sonic landscapes. Their work pulls from foundational dancehall energy with a clear respect for roots and rhythm. Now on the international scene, R. Kelly hospitalized after prison overdose. Lawyers for R. Kelly are alleging the singer overdosed last week on medication given to him by prison staff. His legal team, in a June 17 filing, claims that after being placed in solitary confinement, prison staff provided him an overdose quantity of medication on June 12 compared to his normal anxiety and sleep medication doses, leading to his hospitalization on Friday, June 13. According to court documents, Kelly was forcibly removed from Duke University Hospital in Durham, North Carolina, against medical advice. The Bureau of Prisons declined to comment on the pending litigation. Born Robert Kelly, the 58-year-old singer has been serving a 30-year sentence for racketeering and sex trafficking since 2022. He is serving his sentence in the Federal Correctional Institute facility in Butner, North Carolina. Now, jurors see clips of freak-off sex marathons central to Sean Diddy Combs' sex trafficking charges. According to news coming out of the courtroom, the jury at the hip-hop mogul's sex trafficking trial got a glimpse on Monday of some of the freak-off sex marathons in the heart of the case, with prosecutors showing excerpts of explicit videos that the rapper recorded during the alleged drug-fueled sessions. Prosecutors played portions of 3 sex videos recovered from a Combs-linked account on a cell phone that his former longtime girlfriend Cassie provided to the authorities, giving jurors a close-up view of the encounters they've heard about repeatedly since testimony began on May 12. One video was from October 14 in 2012. The same day, prosecutors say Combs had a freak-off in New York City with Cassie and sex worker Sheree Hayes, known as the Punisher. After 6 weeks of witnesses and evidence, prosecutors plan to rest on Wednesday. After that, Combs' lawyers will start calling witnesses. Combs has pleaded not guilty to sex trafficking and racketeering conspiracy charges after his September arrest at a New York hotel. He was denied bail multiple times and has remained incarcerated at a federal lockup in Brooklyn. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.